Hi folks, welcome back to Physics with Captain Rod. I make this video here to try to help you out with your homework. We're going to chat about numbers 11 and 12 in Unit 3-1. Now 11 is about a basketball player or something. And you know, the key to these is really kind of realizing how to draw the pictures. So this is what I call picture 1 here. The basketball dude is crouched, getting ready to jump. You know, he's got a significant bend in his legs, but at the instant shown, not really moving yet. Picture 2 is like in the process of jumping, and now there's going to be impulses acting on the person. Now, basically, when you're doing the impulse part, think free body, right? We got a gravitational force down, whoops, mg. We have a normal up, right? Again, from that surface and contact. Now, it's the difference between an impulse picture and a free body is basically this. Just tack times on, and now these are impulses. And then here's picture 3 here, and now they have a momentum up. And really, let me relabel these. I usually like to label them like this. Like here's picture 1, and let's call this picture 2. And this is what's happening in between them, like 1 to 2. Now, once you get your picture right, the equations basically write themselves, right? You have no momentum in picture 1, plus, now you have an impulse in picture 2. You got one of these and one of these, and then equals our final momentum in picture 2, mv2. So that equation should be enough to get that done. Now keep in mind when it says something like what impulse are they looking for, it's a little hard to say what they're talking about. This is the impulse from the ground onto the person. This is the net impulse acting on the person. So, and I'm not quite sure which one they want, so I'll let you kind of figure that out. But like right now, the net impulse would equal mv2. If that doesn't work, then they're probably talking about this. All right. Let's talk about number 12. So 12 says something about a baseball being thrown. Now, one of the tricks is realizing, all right, we've got this pitcher that throws a ball at towards a batter, then the batter hits it. But the problem is now not about the pitcher, and it's not about the batter. It's about the ball. So start with a picture, right? Here is what I'm calling picture 1. Here's the momentum of the ball right before impact. It does not really matter which direction you draw it. Right now, the ball ends up changing in momentum. Why? It gets hit by the bat, right? And so I put an impulse for that on the ball. That's the whack, if you will, okay? When the ball gets hit by the bat, and then the ball returns in the opposite direction it started. So there's basically a series of pictures here that describe this. Right? Now use this picture to write your impulse momentum equation. Your original impulse plus your original momentum plus your impulse equals your final momentum. Now remember, when I said plus though, remember these are vectors. So you have to add them vectorally. Keep in mind that this is to the right, but these two are to the left when you write that equation out. So that should get you through those two problems. I think I'll end this one right here and start another one.